On June 30, 1956, a Trans-World Airlines plane is getting ready to embark on its journey to Kansas. This flight numbered Twat Woo. It carried 64 passengers and had a crew of 6, including Captain Jack Grandy, a 41-year-old experienced pilot with over 15,000 flight hours. Simultaneously, another aircraft from United Airlines was preparing to depart for Chicago. This flight numbered Aviation 118. It had 53 passengers and a crew of 5. The captain, Robert Shirley, was 48 years old and had extensive experience with 17,000 flight hours, making him the pilot with the highest flight hours at United Airlines. Both flights were operating under IFAR, relying on the aircraft's navigation system. Both planes initially had stable departure times. Approximately 1 hour later, they were supposed to intersect near the Grand Canyon mountain. However, the weather conditions at the Grand Canyon were extremely adverse. To avoid the hazardous thunderstorm cloud area, Twat Woo requested permission from ATC to increase its altitude. ATC did not grant the request due to UAC 118 flying at a similar altitude and the signals from the non-directional beacon weakening. The captain of Twat Woo requested a switch to VOR due to safety reasons and assurance of handling the situation properly. Although ATC warned UC 118 about the presence of Twat Woo, severe weather and obstructed visibility caused by thick clouds led to a collision between the two aircraft at the summit of the Grand Canyon. Twat Woo immediately crashed upon impact, while UAC 118 flew for a short distance before crashing into the canyon wall. These unfortunate passengers were buried collectively, and a memorial monument was erected at the Grand Canyon.